Unlock the secrets to seamless blending and stunning transparency in Adobe Premiere Pro by mastering the opacity setting. First, let's select the video clip, image, or text layer on your timeline that you want to adjust. See this layer here. We're going to play with its transparency. Navigate to the Effects Controls panel, usually found at the top left of your workspace. If you don't see it, go to Window and then Effects Controls. Within this panel, you'll find a property named Opacity. By default, opacity is set to 100%, meaning it's completely opaque. To create a transparent effect, simply click and drag this slider to the left. As you drag it down, you'll see your clip become more transparent on the program monitor. This is perfect for creating subtle overlays, ghosting effects, or softening your footage. For instance, dragging it to 50% makes it half transparent, allowing the clip below to show through evenly. But we can do more than just a static adjustment. To create dynamic fading or revealing effects, we can use keyframes. Click on the stopwatch icon next to opacity. This sets a starting point. Now, move your playhead to a different point in time on your timeline, then adjust the opacity slider again. Premiere Pro automatically creates a second keyframe, and your clip will seamlessly transition between these two opacity values over time. This is incredibly powerful for fading clips in and out smoothly, making titles appear and disappear elegantly, or creating beautiful cross-dissolve transitions. Experiment with different keyframe placements and opacity values to achieve the exact look you desire. By creatively manipulating opacity, you can add a professional polish to your videos, blending elements together in visually appealing ways. So go ahead, get creative with your opacity settings and elevate your video editing game.